In this video, we will show you how to generate random number in Microsoft Excel. First, open your Microsoft Excel. Then, we can block some cell to create a random number because we need using two methods to generate a random number. We can change the title or background. This is we need using rand formula and the rank formula. I will explain in the next step. Okay, to generate random number, you can block a cell that you want to make a random number, and after you block, you press Ctrl button on your keyboard and click the first cell and type rand formula like this, and then you can hit the enter with the Ctrl button in your keyboard is still pressed, and you can hit enter with in the same time Ctrl button. So this will generate the random number, but actually this is in the decimal, not real number. So we can convert the random number using a rank formula to make it a real number. Using rank.aq, this is for AQ, and then you can put comma, and for reference it's from dollar, don't forget, a dollar again, 2, and then for dollar again, a until 22. You can see there, this is 22. Don't forget, before that is dollar 22 like this, and then for brackets you can hit enter or tab, and you can scroll down. It will generate random number but in the real number format, and this rand is using default decimal in here. You can convert it to rank, and if you need it you can hide this cell, so you generate the random number with the values is unique. That's all tutorial.